Hey guys, Ditch here. This is my first video, and today I'll be showing you how to disassemble the Jin Ming Gen 8 blaster. Now this is pretty easy, it takes a few times just to get it down pat, and yeah, it's pretty easy. So I'll just get rid of the external parts and I'll show you how to do it. So here it is, it's the main blaster itself. I've got a red mag on it, painted it. So yeah, the first thing we'll do is take out the mag, and here's the blaster. So the first thing you want to do is take the stock off, put it to the side, and you want to detach the battery. So this is in here. So pull the black, press the black thing. And yeah, take it out. So there's the battery. And then what you want to do is twist the buffer tube and pull that off, and then you'll have the wires hanging there. Now for the front, take off any hop up you have on there. So after you've done that, you just want to twist this the handguard off and then pull. There you go. I do have a painted red barrel on mine. So then here is the main part of the blaster. We're gonna start by, I like to just have the ejection port open, just easy. And so the first thing you want to do is take off the handguard. Now you just need a Phillips head screwdriver, just a small one, and start by unscrewing these screws. So there's one here, there's another here, another here, another here, and one more down here. Now if I've taken them all off properly, I need to undo this one a bit more, and then this should all lift off. Now I like to keep the screws in here just hanging, because it's easy to get track of them. Now put that on the ground, and then take off the bottom part and lay that over here. So this is the motor, right? Now you've got three more screws to take off with the Phillips head. One here. Some of these could be pretty tight on the first round. There's another one just here in front of the mag hold. This one's really thin and small, so make sure you don't want to lose this one. I like to keep most of my screws in the blaster just to keep track of them. And then here's the mag release. So this has a spring tension, so just watch out. Undo that. Take the mag release off, and then take the spring out. And on the other side is this part. Leave them there. Now all of that's done, put the Phillips head away, and now you need an Allen key. This is kind of a small one, not sure the size. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you want to take them out. Again, I like to unscrew them all the way and leave them in, just so it's easier to keep track of. So give them a pull. There's another one up here. That's all the way, and another one here. That one's good too. Another one up here. And one more here. After that, now you're going to have to grab the Phillips head one more time and take off this screw that is in the top of the rail. Mine was a bit of a pain, but pull that up and then out, and that's your rail. After that, this is the bare thing. Make sure you don't lose any screws. Pull the charging handle back and lift off that top one. Now I like to put this up to the side, and there's the gearbox. Here's the gearbox, and to take this off, simply pull these up, and I like to take the charging handle out. This has a spring here, and there should be one screw holding this into place, which is about here. out, and the whole gearbox should come out. So that was the disassembly video. I hope it was pretty easy to follow. I'll be coming out with a reassembly video soon. Well, I'm going to be putting this back together like right now, but I'll have 2 videos for this. And be tuned for an aluminium barrel video. I'll be telling you guys how to put that in, and how to put in a new spring. I'll do that in both the same video, so aluminium barrel and new spring. And yeah, so subscribe, like if you thought this video was good, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Ditch out.